Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faiz Humaidi bin Muhammad Hussein, 056834, from Bachelor in Computer Science, Software Development with Honours. I am supervised by Encik Azwar bin Abdul Aziz, and my title for the final year project is Restaurant Point of Sale System. As we can see here, this is one of the interface for the main features in the system. So what is Restaurant Point of Sale System? Restaurant Point of Sale System is very important for food business or restaurant because of its capability. Usually, restaurant will use book to record their sales and count it one by one. This style of recording sales will consume a large use of paper and book, and facing many mistakes and miscalculations. So with this system, restaurant can easily manage product, process customer purchase, and handling money transaction faster.
There are 4 user level, that is staff, cashier, manager and admin. For the first one, I will show you the features for staff user level. For the first time user, they need to log in using their IC number. Log in into the system using registered username and password. User can view their profile and edit any editable info. Let's say they want to change their username and remove current image. Click update after complete and success alert will be shown. User also can change their password, and of course, it is included with change password validation. Next one is user can make their daily clock in and clock out. The table will display all punch history. Let's do the clock in first. A pop-up will be shown with current date and time. User can insert any comment for their clock in, but this field is only optional. Total hours and total gain will be calculated after user make their clock out. Next one is My Earning module. Here, user can view their monthly work summary. There are options to view other months and years summary. Also, there is option for all-time work summary. User can download earning statement based on the option they choose. This is the detail of the statement. User also can view all menu in the system. Simply choose any menu and click View. Selected menu details with image will be shown. They also can display list of all users registered with the system. However, they cannot make any change on users info. This is dashboard page. As we can see here, this is total sales graph. The white line is the 14 days sales average. As for today, the sales are 0 since we did not make any sales yet. We can change the graph to monthly or annual. First sale is created in May 2021, so there is no sale before that. This also goes for annual graph. No sales were recorded before 2021. Here is bar graph showing total registered customer by month. The right side shows future prediction sales for upcoming 14 days. I use linear regression technique to make this prediction. This technique is counted as added value in this project. Now we move to cashier user level. As usual, log in using registered username and password. Cashier also can view and edit their profile just like staff. My earning and clock in clock out page is same as staff user level. The advantage of cashier user level is they can view voucher details, voucher amount, quantity, status and so on. Cashier can also view menu just like staff, but there is additional function for cashier level and above, that is print menu list. This menu list is usable for barcode scanning when handling sales. Cashier can also download menu barcode here. Next one is cashier can view customers' details including their monthly spending. Customers' monthly spending will help them in getting member discount, and it will be reset to 0 every first day of month. Furthermore, cashier can view any customer's purchase history, including the items in the order. Cashier level and above can download customer's QR code for any use, as example designing member card. Cashier also can display list of users just like staff. Now for the main features of this point of sale system, that is handle sales. Cashier can switch to any new or completed order to view it. Completed order will alert user that they cannot modify the order anymore. Let's move to new order using ID 15. Any menu can be added into order using barcode scanning or the list provided below. The list can be filtered according to their category by clicking these buttons. Let's choose milk or ice as the first item. 1 unit of milk or ice has been added into order. Let's try with different quantity. I choose 3 units of tea or ice. Successful, added into order. Items also can be added using barcode scanning. External barcode scanner is needed for this. The barcode is printed as how I showed you just now. Quantity of tea or ice has been updated since I scanned its barcode. We also can set quantity using barcode. Simply add quantity number with star symbol, then scan any barcode. Here we can see 3 units of tea has been added into order. Items also can be deleted from order using red button in the table. We can add customer's ID by scanning the QR code on their member card or just type their ID in this field. This also goes to voucher ID. Just scan voucher barcode or type the ID in the next field. Customer and voucher name will be displayed if the ID is valid. The total and discount has been calculated. Member discount referring to customer's ID and voucher discount referring to voucher's ID. Now enter cash standard amount before checking out. Order has been completed. Balance for customer is shown. We can print a receipt if requested by customer. All details for the order are stated here. Subtotal, discount and also 5 cents rounding. 30.50 is the final total and will be added into customer's monthly spending. After that, we can continue for new order. As for manager, log in using your registered username and password. Manager is capable to access 3 folders in recycle bin. As we know, recycle bin acts as a holding bay for deleted items. Next one is clock in, clock out module. I have shown you clock in features in the earlier video. Now for clock out features. Again, a pop-up with current date and time is shown. Simply input comment if any and just click clock out button. Total hours is calculated using time range and multiply by user's pay rates. Then we got total gaining for the day. User also can view punch details after clock out. As manager, they can view other users' punch info by entering their IDs. This is punch detail for user ID 3. My earning page for manager is same like staff and cashier, but as manager who will manage salary payment, they also can view other users' earning. Again, enter the user ID in the pop-up to view it. Let's enter user ID 3. Choose any summary option provided and click submit. Next one is voucher management. Manager can add, edit, view or delete voucher. This is an example of edit status of the existing voucher. Alert success is shown and user is redirected to view voucher page. Then manager can access menu management module. Manager can delete any existing menu. Also edit any menu. Edit any info such as price and or category. Then click update. Menu image also can be added or deleted. Max number of image per menu are 10. Image can be uploaded whether single or multiple in a time. This is how manager can delete menu image. Let me show you add menu features. Enter all required info such as name, category and price. Click add and success alert will be shown. Image not available is shown if no image were added. Barcode for the menu also can be downloaded. Now for customer management module, manager can add, edit, view or delete customer. Let's take a look at Add Customer features. Enter all required info. Phone number, email, birth date, and image are optional field. Click Add button after done. Success. QR code for the customer also can be downloaded. Now let's edit the customer. I will upload an image for him. Then click Update. Success. Only admin can manage user, which are add, edit, and delete user. Manager can only display user list just like cashier and staff. Manager also can access handle sales module. As the dashboard page, all level users will have the same dashboard. As you have seen in the early video, today's sales is changed from 0 to 3150. That amount is the sales that I have made just now. Soft reminder, this is future prediction using linear regression technique for upcoming 14 days. Today is 10th June, so the prediction will be showed from 11 June until 24 June. The prediction is based on previous 14 days. Refer blue graph here.